Welcome to this tutorial where we'll dive into building a highly interactive e-commerce product carousel using Vanilla JavaScript and the Intersection Observer API. Imagine being able to captivate your visitors with a seamless and engaging browsing experience, encouraging them to explore more of your products. In this video, you'll gain insights into creating a carousel that not only looks great, but performs efficiently, providing a smooth user experience across devices. We'll tackle the common issues of performance and compatibility head on, ensuring you can deliver a product carousel that truly stands out. Understanding and implementing this feature is crucial. It's more than just visual appeal. It's about enhancing user engagement and increasing conversion rates. Stick around to see how you can transform your e-commerce site. And if you're passionate about keeping up with the latest in web development, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more high-quality tutorials. To start, let's explore the key concepts behind our project. First up is Vanilla JavaScript. This term refers to using plain JavaScript without any additional libraries or frameworks. Why is this important? Well, it results in a lighter, faster, and more customizable application, which is crucial for performance-sensitive environments like e-commerce. Next, we have the Intersection Observer API. This modern web API allows developers to asynchronously observe changes in the intersection of a target element with an ancestor element or the viewport. It's highly efficient for lazy loading images or executing animations when elements become visible, directly impacting performance and user experience. Finally, user engagement is at the heart of our carousel. By incorporating smooth animations, responsive design, and intuitive navigation, we can capture users' attention and encourage them to explore products further. Imagine a user browsing your site, seamlessly transitioning from one product to another, each image lazily loading just as it comes into view, ensuring peak performance. This combination of technology and design principles creates a captivating user experience. Let's jump into the code to see how we can bring this interactive carousel to life. Our project consists of three main files: an HTML file for the structure, a CSS file for styling, and a JavaScript file for functionality. We'll focus on the JavaScript file, as it's where the magic happens. This script manages the carousel's behavior, including image loading via Intersection Observer and navigation through next and previous buttons. Inside the script, we start by selecting our carousel elements and setting up event listeners for user interactions. The Intersection Observer is configured to lazy load images only when they come into view, optimizing loading times. The navigation buttons let users move through the carousel, with animations ensuring a smooth transition. With these elements working together, the carousel provides a highly interactive user experience, encouraging engagement and exploration. Let's see what this looks like in the code. Now, let's see the carousel in action. As you navigate to the page, the carousel loads with the first image visible. As you interact with the next button, the carousel smoothly transitions to show the next product, demonstrating the seamless user experience we've built. Clicking the Prev button takes you back to the previous product, ensuring users can easily navigate through the carousel. As you scroll through the page, the Intersection Observer ensures that images are only loaded as they come into view, optimizing performance. This demonstration highlights the effectiveness of the Intersection Observer in managing resource loading and the intuitive navigation provided by the carousel. Watching this in action, you can see how the combination of JavaScript and modern web APIs creates a compelling and efficient user experience. In conclusion, we've built a highly interactive e-commerce product carousel using Vanilla JavaScript and the Intersection Observer API. This project highlights the importance of creating engaging user experiences that are both visually appealing and performance optimized. By incorporating these techniques, you can enhance user engagement on your e-commerce platform, potentially increasing conversion rates. As you've seen, the intersection of technology and design can significantly impact user satisfaction and retention. If you found this tutorial valuable, consider subscribing to our channel. By doing so, you'll gain access to more high-quality tutorials that can accelerate your learning curve with practical, real-world examples. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing what you create with these skills.